Okay, today I'm going to show you how to connect your script font. First, we will go ahead and type in the name Camden. Then you will go to your font, systems, and just select your script font that you want. I really like the script font. Where's my script font? The Sign Painter font. I really like that one. Okay, so it's small, and I'm sure you want it bigger. So you're going to go to the unlock button, which is to your left, at the bottom left, and then you're going to stretch it out with your green um, directional tool. And what I do is I usually take a line and I line my font up with that line so that I know that it's straight and everything is centered correctly. And then you want to follow this, sorry, all these little, I have to do a new download, but this plus sign will help you center your text. So just grab it and center it. Now what you'll do is you'll select your font or your name that you're wanting to print out, and you're going to ungroup it. Once you ungroup, I like to make some of my letters stand out, so I would make this C a little bit bigger, and by doing that, you just click the C and unlock it at the bottom left. And then I just move the font away from the large letter. So how we're going to connect is we're going to place each letter slightly on top of the connecting portion of that letter, the hook. And you don't want to overlap like this, where you see a little bit of the M in the non-colored part of the D, because if you do weld this, it will fill in that D, and you don't want to do that. So connect your letter slightly over the hook. Same with your Y and the same with your N. And we need to bring each one of these up so it's above the line so that they're all even. And I'm going to show you, this is how it will look when you overlap correctly with your hooks. You're going to weld it and you see no fill-ins, like it's exactly how you want it. And if you want it bigger, like I said, go to your bottom left and you are going to maximize your size. So let me go back and show you what it will look like if you overlap too much. So let me undo that, and see they're all individual letters. But let me show you what it looks like if you overlap and weld. Now you have that portion that's sticking through your letter. So make sure you just do the hook slightly, place on top of the hook slightly. So let's undo this again and move, undo, and then move this slightly off of one another. And now we're going to weld, and you can make it whatever size you want. You can, once you weld it, see how I overlapped it and now it did that fill in. So now you want to undo because I put too much of the hook in that D. So now it should work. weld, and now we're good to go. So now if you want to make the font larger or longer, like how you're placing it on the wall, you're going to want to get a 12 by 24 mat, which is the long green mat. And you would want to get 631 vinyl. That vinyl will not be a permanent stick and it will not mess up your walls. And so to stretch that out, you're going to flip your font and make sure that it's centered on this line. And then you're going to do the same thing that I just showed you by unlocking your font and stretching it. And you'll just do that all the way to the 24. And you can move it up or down all the way, 12 by 24. And you can hit print. So you're going to make it, and it already pulls up automatically that you're going to be using a 12 by 24 mat. So I hope this helps you out. And if you have any other questions, you can just message me and let me know what you need help with. Bye.